Hello Mingalaba, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share you how to create custom decals and custom graphic stickers and custom stickers for the glass panels, especially for the office projects. And I will show you how to do it, how to create it in the D5 render. So as you see here, this is I rendered in 3D Studio Max, and I use 3D Studio Max to create those graphic stickers, the custom stickers on the glass panel. So it is, as you know, you can create it using the alpha map and the opacity map in the materials in 3D Studio Max. But how to create this kind of feeling, this kind of stickers, this kind of decals in D5 render is another challenge. Most of you guys already know about this method, this problem, but this is for those who doesn't know how to create those things. So let's launch D5 render program, and then let's create a new one. Alright, so first of all, I will show you with the default model, the plain model, so that you can see clearly. Alright, so I will get the plain model from the access panel. After that, I will rotate it to get the elevational view in our scene. Then I will adjust the size a bit. After that, I will use the material picker to get material from that plane, or you can use the shortcut I. After that, go to the material template and then choose custom alpha material template. After that, go down to opacity map. Alright, then click on it, then choose your cutout or choose your black and white image. So after that, you will see here like what you want, and as you see here, the rest of the black area will be cut out, will be transparent completely, and the white area will remain as it is, and you can change the base color to get the color you want. So it is very simple and it is very easy, right? So as you see here, we just only need the black and white image. So let's see what are the other things that we can do with this. So let's say if you want this material, if you want this material as emissive material, you can turn it on. Or there's another thing. Go down, you go to opacity map. Okay, then you can even change it. Let's say I will try to I will change to another image. Okay, for example like this one. So this is the wall map. Okay, so my original image has black color on the land area and the white color on the sea area, the ocean area. So that is why it became like this. So in that case, what we can do is pick the material again and go to the details parameter. After that, just turn on inverted function. So once you invert it, it will invert black and white. So this is very useful for us. So let's say I will try to change the another image, which I use it for my previous project. Okay, this is the Singapore skyline line walk graphics, which only has black and white colors. So I have white color background and the black color lines on this image. So the white color become the background. So in that case, you can play around with the inverted function to get what you want. Okay, so the most important thing is you should have very nice black and white image. So let's change it to another image. As you see here, this is the Singapore Marina Bay Sand and Marina Bay area skyline image. So as you see, all the line works shows very clearly because my original image is in a good quality, in a very good resolution. So let's go down. If I turn off the inverted, it will turn out like this. So make sure you need to turn it on to get what you want. And for the color, you can just go down to the base color and change it to the color that you want. Okay, so as I mentioned just now, as you see there, the border line, the image that I used, the image that I bought, it didn't clear properly. They didn't delete the borders line, so I still have this red color border line as a border. So it is very basic thing that you need to delete it properly in the Photoshop. So let's change it to another one. So this is the Singapore Gardens by the Bay image, and as you see there is a red border there. So make sure you have to clear all the unnecessary lines or borders before you use it. Okay, so it is very important. So once you get the clear and good quality black and white image, you will get what you want nicely. If not, there will be some errors and some issues. All right, so this is very clear and very easy. So I hope you guys can do it, and you guys will have the sense. Okay, so let me show you with another example. So I will show you with my previous project that I did it in 3D Studio Max and Corona Render. So as you see here, I got a passage wheel, and I have this alpha channel custom model on the wall. So and on the wall there will be some donator's name on this old wall. So as you see here, this is the initial stage that I imported. I export to the T5. So let's see how I created it. So I used Corona layered material, and I used this concrete material as a base material. Alright, then there are a few layers downwards, and at the layer 4 I used this donator's name that I created in Photoshop. So let's see the image. So first of all, black color will be the cutout area, and the white color will remain as it is. So that is the thing that you just need to create yourself. Once you got it, you just put it inside to the as a cutout transparent opacity map. Okay, so that's it. After you got it, then when you import, it will turn out like this. So as you see here, on the concrete, very old concrete wall, there are some names. There are the donator's name along the wall. So I created this animation in U5 and a few months ago, but I show you as example. Okay, so I hope you guys can do it using my method, and see you next time. Okay, good luck guys, bye bye.